In this video, we present the procedure for deactivating the electrical circuit of the lighting unit prior to shipping or long-term storage. The video covers battery status verification, correct removal of the transport fuse, and confirmation that the lighting unit is safely de-energized. The transport fuse is installed in the lamp to close the power circuit. It reconnects the electrical circuit after transport or long-term storage and helps protect the batteries. Before shipping or extended storage, the fuse must be deactivated. For more information on proper storage, refer to the video SP-401S, How to Store the Lighting Unit When Not in Use. Before starting the fuse removal, check the battery status by observing the status LED sequence. The lighting unit must be fully charged before removing the transport fuse. During the LED sequence, the first 2 flashes indicate the charging source status. The following 10 flashes indicate the battery charge level, where each green flash represents 10% of battery capacity. If the LED displays 10 fast green flashes during the battery status indication, the battery is fully charged and you can proceed with the operation. For more information about the status LED indicator, refer to the video SP-401S, Device Monitoring via Status LED Indicator, or consult the SP-401S User's Manual. To remove the lighting unit from the permanent mount, start by unscrewing the 4 screws from underneath the mounting plate. Lift the lighting unit from the mounting plate. Lay the unit on its side to gain clear access to the bottom part of the device and the transport fuse holder. De-energize the lighting unit's electrical circuit by unscrewing the transport fuse counterclockwise using a flathead screwdriver. Remove the transport fuse from the holder. Screw the fuse holder back in. When screwing the fuse holder into the socket in the lamp housing, apply firm pressure while turning with a flathead screwdriver to avoid damaging or wearing out the slot. Alternatively, you do not need to unscrew the fuse holder completely. You can simply loosen it enough to break the electrical circuit. Verify the fuse condition by visually inspecting the fuse. The fuse must be intact and free from visible damage such as burns, discoloration, or a broken internal element. If the fuse is damaged, always replace it with a new fuse before reinstallation. For detailed replacement instructions, refer to the video SP-401S, How to Replace the Fuse. Place the lamp on the base and screw it in from underneath, tightening the screws opposite each other. Use a 4 mm hex key and tighten the screws to keep the lamp steady and secure. Check the lighting unit's operation by pressing the emergency switch twice to activate the light. If the light does not activate, the action taken was successful and the unit can be stored. After completing the operational check, press the emergency switch 4 times to ensure the lighting unit is switched off. For additional information on the transport fuse, refer to the SP-401S User's Manual.